Why do I keep getting attracted? 자석같이 끌려가. I cannot explain this reaction. 이거밖에 1, 4, 3. Why do I keep getting attracted? 네 모습만 떠올라. I cannot explain this emotion. 1, 4, 3. I love you.
In last video, we just finished the Panda spending process. This video will start to learn how to make our Panda move. The dance video you just saw in the beginning have not adjusted yet, but making a Panda dance is not that complicated. You just need to get a FBX file with the animation information of the skeleton. After you get this file, remap it to your Panda. So in this video, I will show you how to do this remapping process with AutoRig Pro. I have prepared several FBX files for you in the attachment. You are free to download in the description below. In this class, we will use this FBX file as a demonstration. Next video, I will teach you how to get these FBX files. In last video, we have finished the Panda rigging. We will continue to do our demonstration with the rigged Panda. Change your render engine to EV, and the output setting is 1980 by 1080. Please be aware of our current frame rate is 24 FPS, because after you import the new FBX animation file, the frame rate will be changed. So how to import? You go to the File menu and find the Import and find the FBX. Click it. Find the required materials folder you just downloaded in the description. There are several FBX files. Let's select this one, Attack Samba Jump. Click Import File. Please make sure you are in the object mode. The skeleton is hiding in the model. We can go to the object property, find the view display, and click the in front. Now you can see the bone, but it looks very weird. Let's click this and go to the first frame. Something might be wrong. Why this bone's orientation is not correct? We must do something wrong when we import the FBX. Let's delete it. Let's import again. Go to the file, import, and go to the FBX. Select this one. And this time, please remember, go to the armature and check the automatic bone orientation. Then click to the import FBX. So you see the bone orientation is correct now. We go to the object property, enable the in front of the viewport display. I just mentioned earlier that importing a new FBX file will change the frame rate. Let's check your frame rate. Okay, you can see current frame rate is 180 FPS. It's because the FBX file we just imported is very high quality. It have 180 FPS. Total 722 frame. Okay, let's change the frame rate to 722. Go to the first frame and play it. Okay, you can see it's like a Kung Fu Panda movement. I downloaded it from Rococo. It's a very cool action. Now let's learn how to make this little panda to do the same action. We're back to the first frame. Currently it's a T-pose. The system likes T-pose because it will make the calculation easier. Many professional motion capture will also make the first frame as T-pose. Okay, let's back to our ARP. There are 4 menus. Let's close the first menu. We go to the third menu this time. Open the Remap menu. First, we select the bone structure you just imported. Click the eyedropper tool, make it as the source armature. Because this skeleton has the animation information, that's why we call it source armature. Now we select the Panda controller and click the eyedropper tool, make it as the target armature. Remember you are in the object mode. Then click auto scale. It will automatic to match the size of your model. It's very important, it will make your scale properly. Now click the build bone list. It will automatically match the bone structure of your 2 sets of bones. Next, you need to select the hip, the root bone, and set it as root. This step is telling the system where is your root bone of your model. It's the basic of your animation later. Next, scroll down, find the redefine rest pose. Click it. It will ask you to select the rest pose or current pose. Since our current pose is T-pose, we will choose current pose. It will make your system calculation easier. Remember you are in the first frame T-pose. Click OK, it will jump to the next interface. No need to click the copy selected bone rotation, just click apply. Because our model and our skeleton are typos, and then we click retarget. No need to change anything, just click OK. Wait a minute. Okay, let's play it. Wow. You get a Kung Fu Panda. Okay, that's the whole workflow of remapping. It's not that complicated, right? We can delete this source amateur. It will still work because you already copied the animation information. These ARP tools may not be familiar with everyone. Don't worry, just follow me step by steps and you will get used to it. Please save as another file. Please don't overwrite your original rigid file because we still will use it to do mocap. Next video I'll teach you how to get the FBX file and how to use AI tools to do the motion capture. See you next video.
Cut tips.